Every morning you make a choice that feels healthy. You sprinkle chia seeds into your oatmeal or into your smoothie, believing you're giving your body something powerful, something that can calm the inflammation that makes your joints stiff, your energy low, and your mind cloudy. But if you've been doing this for weeks, months, or even years, and your inflammation still hasn't improved, there's a scientific reason behind it. And almost no one talks about this. Today, I'll walk you through something surprising and honestly, something liberating. Chia seeds do have anti-inflammatory power, but when you use them alone, you unlock only a small fraction of what they're capable of. And the truth that changes everything is this. Chia seeds need two very specific partners to activate their full anti-inflammatory effect. Without them, most of their benefits simply pass straight through your body, unused. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what your chia seeds are missing, how to fix it, and how to create a daily formula that supports your joints, your heart, your digestive system, and even your brain in ways chia alone never could. So let's start with the part almost everyone gets wrong. Why chia seeds alone don't work. Here's where most people get it wrong. Let's imagine something simple. You take a tablespoon of chia seeds and add them to your breakfast. It feels like a smart choice, and it is. But here's what actually happens inside your body. Chia seeds contain ALA, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid. But ALA isn't the kind your body needs to powerfully fight inflammation. For ALA to truly help you, it must convert into EPA and DHA, the forms that actually calm inflamed tissues. And here's the problem. Only 5% of ALA becomes EPA. Less than 0.5% becomes DHA. Think about that. If your body needs 100 molecules of DHA to reduce inflammation, chia seeds provide less than 1. It's like having a powerful medicine locked inside a bottle, but the lid is sealed shut. You shake it, you turn it, you try your best, but only a few drops come out. That's exactly what happens when chia seeds are used alone. This is why so many people say, my joints still hurt, my CRP is still high, my brain fog didn't change, my inflammation feels the same. It's not because chia seeds aren't healthy, it's because the body cannot activate their full potential without help. And now we get to the part that almost no one knows. The science. Clear, simple, visual. Let me make this incredibly simple. Chia seeds do contain powerful compounds. Omega-3 ALA helps reduce inflammatory prostaglandins, the chemicals that make joints stiff and painful. Antioxidants, quercetin, chlorogenic acid, caffeic acid. These calm inflammatory cytokines like TNF-alpha and IL-6. Anti-inflammatory protein fragments. They reduce NF-kappa B, the switch that turns inflammation on fiber supports gut bacteria, and your gut controls up to 70% of your inflammatory responses. So chia seeds have the right tools, but tools mean nothing if they stay locked in the toolbox. And that's exactly what's happening. You're eating the seeds, but your body can't unlock their deeper anti-inflammatory pathways because the pathways require multiple nutrients working together, not one nutrient working alone. This is why research shows very small improvements when chia seeds are used independently, and dramatically larger improvements when they're combined with turmeric and healthy fat. This trio creates the synergy your body has been missing. The synergy, chia plus turmeric plus healthy fat. This is the part the wellness industry never tells you. Let's break down each partner. Partner 1, turmeric, the gene-switching powerhouse. Turmeric contains curcumin, one of the most studied anti-inflammatory compounds in the world. Curcumin lowers CRP, reduces TNF-alpha, lowers IL-6, shuts down NF-kappa B, protects cells from oxidative stress, supports joint and brain health. While chia seeds work on fatty acid pathways, curcumin works on genetic pathways. Chia deals with the flames from the outside. Curcumin turns off the gas from the inside. Together, they cover inflammation from angles chia alone cannot reach. Partner 2, healthy fat, the absorption key, 2000% boost. Here's the game-changing part. Curcumin and chia's omega-3s are fat-soluble. Without fat, your body simply cannot absorb them. A landmark study found fat increases curcumin absorption by 2,000%. 2,000%. That's the difference between whispering and shouting, a drop and a flood, a flashlight and a lighthouse. Healthy fats, especially olive oil and coconut oil, unlock the nutrition chia and turmeric are trying to deliver. And on top of this, olive oil contains oleocanthal, a natural anti-inflammatory similar to ibuprofen. Coconut oil contains MCTs, which may reduce inflammatory markers. Together, the synergy becomes unstoppable. Chia seeds supply the foundation. Turmeric provides the firepower. Healthy fats carry them into your bloodstream. This is the combination your body has been waiting for. Common mistakes people make. If your chia routine isn't working, this may be why. Millions of people make these mistakes every day. Mistake 1. Eating chia seeds dry. Your body struggles to digest dry chia seeds. The nutrients remain locked. Mistake 2. Not soaking chia long enough. Chia needs time to swell and release nutrients. Otherwise, most benefits pass through unused. Mistake 3. Using turmeric without fat. Curcumin needs fat for absorption. Without it, almost nothing gets into your bloodstream. Mistake 4. Using old turmeric. Turmeric loses potency after 6 months. Most people keep it for years. Mistake 5. Assuming chia alone can solve inflammation. It can help, but it needs partners. Fixing these mistakes alone can change your results. The recipe, the science of optimal absorption. Here is the exact formula your body can actually use to calm inflammation and support strength. This formula is built on one essential principle. Your body benefits from nutrients it can absorb, not just nutrients you consume. Base formula. Chia seeds. 1 tablespoon, slow-release protein, fiber, omega-3s, minerals. Turmeric powder. 1/2 teaspoon, curcumin for inflammation reduction. Olive oil, coconut oil, 1 teaspoon. Required for absorbing fat-soluble curcumin and omega-3, water, almond, or coconut milk. 8 to 10 ounces, helps chia form a gel for smooth digestion. The science, clear, simple, short. 1. Chia, slow, steady, protein release. When soaked, chia forms a gel that slows digestion. This provides a 4 to 6 hour release of amino acids, ideal for adults over 60 who need steady, not rapid protein absorption. This prevents the protein spike and waste effect seen with fast-digesting protein sources. 2. Turmeric plus fat, the absorption system. Curcumin is fat-soluble, meaning without fat, most of it passes through unused. Olive oil or coconut oil works as the carrier, helping curcumin and omega-3s enter the bloodstream. Better absorption, reduced inflammation, better recovery for muscles and joints. Upgraded versions, more powerful options. Upgrade 1, black pepper, piperine. Piperine boosts curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%, 20 times. Helps reduce soreness and enhances muscle and joint recovery. Upgrade 2, cinnamon. Helps stabilize blood sugar and reduce inflammation triggered by glucose spikes. Creates a metabolic environment that supports muscle building and reduces stress on the body. Upgrade 3, ginger. Contains gingerols and shogalls, strong anti-inflammatory compounds. Reduces joint stiffness and supports digestion, which improves nutrient absorption. Less joint pain, easier movement, better muscle activation. Upgrade 4, warm version. Use warm, not hot liquid. Warm liquids help nutrients mix and absorb more smoothly. Ideal for older adults with sensitive digestion. Who should use caution? Even though this formula is natural, it contains ingredients with strong biological activity. If you fall into any of the groups below, it's important to be careful and consult your healthcare provider. 1. If you are taking blood thinners. Why? Chia seeds contain plant-based omega-3s, which can slightly enhance blood thinning effects. Turmeric, curcumin, also has mild natural anticoagulant properties. What it means? These ingredients may increase the action of blood-thinning medications such as warfarin, Eliquis, Xarelto, Plavix, or even daily aspirin. 2. If you have gallbladder issues. Why? Curcumin stimulates the gallbladder and increases bile flow. What it means? If you have gallstones, gallbladder inflammation, or bile duct blockage, this stimulation may cause pain or discomfort. 3. If you have a history of oxalate kidney stones. Why? Chia seeds contain a small amount of oxalates. Oxalates can bind to calcium and form the most common type of kidney stone. What it means? If you've had calcium oxalate kidney stones, it's best to speak with your clinician before adding chia daily. 4. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding. Why? Everyday culinary amounts are generally safe, but higher therapeutic amounts of turmeric or concentrated seed compounds haven't been well studied in pregnancy or breastfeeding. What it means? It's safest to consult your doctor before using turmeric in larger amounts during this time. 5. General guideline: start low and go slow. Why? Chia seeds are high in fiber and absorb water quickly. Introducing them gradually helps prevent digestive discomfort. This also allows you to notice any individual sensitivities. What it means: begin with a smaller amount, see how your body responds, and increase slowly. Timeline of benefits: what you may feel and why. Here's what you may feel and when. The benefits of these seeds and spices build gradually. Your body changes slowly, layer by layer, as inflammation decreases and absorption improves. Here's a realistic timeline based on how the biology works. Week 1, gentle, early shifts. What you may feel: smoother digestion, more regular bowel movements, a subtle but noticeable lift in daytime energy. Why it happens: the high fiber content in chia forms a gel that supports healthy digestion and feeds beneficial gut bacteria. Better gut function leads to less bloating and more consistent energy. The steady release of nutrients, especially fiber and B vitamins, helps prevent sugar crashes that often drain energy. Weeks 2 to 4. The inflammation softening phase. What you may feel: less morning stiffness, reduced bloating and improved gut comfort, lighter brain fog, more stable afternoon energy. CRP, C-reactive protein, a marker of inflammation, may begin to decrease. Why it happens: omega-3, ALA, antioxidants, and minerals like magnesium begin to regulate inflammatory pathways. This leads to easier movement in the morning and less joint tightness. As gut inflammation drops, gas and bloating decrease. Lower systemic inflammation supports improved blood flow to the brain, which helps sharpen focus and reduce mental fog. Weeks 8 to 12. Deep noticeable changes. What you may feel: chronic inflammation feels calmer overall. Joints move more freely with greater comfort. Mental clarity improves significantly. Mood feels steadier. Daily stamina and vitality increase. Why it happens: long-term nutrient absorption supports hormonal balance, which is essential for stable energy and mood. Anti-inflammatory compounds have had enough time to meaningfully reduce chronic inflammation. Better digestion and improved nutrient uptake support muscle strength, movement, and overall daily function. Inflammation no longer steals as much energy, allowing your body to use resources for repair, mobility, and mental clarity. Wrap up. Chia seeds aren't the problem. The missing pieces are. When you combine the omega-3 foundation of chia, the gene-level power of turmeric, the absorption boost of healthy fat, you transform a simple morning habit into a targeted, science-backed anti-inflammatory formula that supports your joints, your gut, your heart, and your brain. Just 3 ingredients, a few minutes every morning, small choices, big changes. Upgraded versions, more powerful options. Upgrade 1, black pepper, piperine. Piperine boosts curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%, 20 times. Helps reduce soreness and enhances muscle and joint recovery. Upgrade 2, cinnamon. Helps stabilize blood sugar and reduce inflammation triggered by glucose spikes. Creates a metabolic environment that supports muscle building and reduces stress on the body. Upgrade 3, ginger. Contains gingerols and shogalls, strong anti-inflammatory compounds. Reduces joint stiffness and supports digestion, which improves nutrient absorption. Less joint pain, easier movement, better muscle activation. Upgrade 4, warm version. Use warm, not hot liquid. Warm liquids help nutrients mix and absorb more smoothly. Ideal for older adults with sensitive digestion.